Alright, 1985 Ninja 750 ZXR or 750L, whatever, same thing. Doing an oil change. This is the same one that I've worked on before. If you ever seen my other YouTube videos, I changed the tank. It was pretty bad, but changed it. Now we're gonna paint this one, but eventually it'll get done. Got a brand new sprocket chain and the front one, but the point being, oil change. Alright, so when you take this off, you have, let's see here, you have Phillips, and all those are Phillips screwdriver. And then you got your Allen wrenches, Allen wrench, and this is the bottom one. You're gonna have to either lift up the bike or force it, because that one's Phillips and that's a bitch to get out. But anyways, on to business here. And as you can see, there's a leak here, and that's my source. I'm sure of it. I have no clue where everything else is going from. Who knows? It's gonna be more. I think that's where it's coming from. I can't really see it. Maybe I can. Well, is that just me or those are loose? I'll find out later. But yeah, it's leaking. And good time to check your hoses. As you can see right here, it leaks just a little bit. Can't really tell, but it's there. It's green. And really, I have no clue what this is. I don't know what that's go to, and that's not to my fairing, I don't think. I don't know. No. At least not that I know of. But anyways, alright, I'll pause this real quick. There's that's your oil drain pan and your filters right there. And I highly recommend you wait an hour or more. And then, see, these are cold, that's what you want. As long as these are cold, you're fine, because it's a really tight fit. And actually, luckily it doesn't leak on the exhaust pipe, so there won't be any burning smell with the oil. But seriously, it's just that. And usually it just takes a wrench and it'll come off, and that's when I usually check for metal shavings or anything like that. So I'm going to pause the video real quick and grab the tools and let you see what the oil looks like. Alright, so I've already loosened it. I got this. I think it's a genius idea. If you have this, you're very lucky, because it's universal, and the more you crank on it, the more pressure is going to grab. But I love these. It's a Craftsman. I love it. Anyways, go ahead and loosen this up real quick. Where is it? That looks pretty nasty, and that kind of concerns me. And if you can't tell, it is brown, and not brown like oil, like brown like it has water in the system. And I hope it doesn't. And you know what? I did have an oil change or a new clutch in it, so I don't know, maybe it could be it. I'm not sure. Well, I guess we'll find out the next oil change, or until the blower motor's up. Huh. You know, usually you want to leave it there for a couple minutes, let it drain all the way out, you know. Matter of fact, if I tilt it up, I'm sure it'll come out more. But, you know, this is a good time to check your Good thing there's actually no metal shavings, so that's good. Yeah. Put more in there. Okay. Anyways, on to the. Yeah, it's still drying. It was only like 2 minutes lapsed, but let's see if I can get this real quick. Alright, let's try something else here. Well, I could poke it with the screwdriver, right? That'll work, but no. Usually I hand tie these. I don't usually use the oil grip or whatever it's called. So I'm gonna keep trying here a little bit. And that actually worked. So I'm gonna pull this out. Now it's gonna drain. Yes. Bleed, damn it, bleed. Anyways. Okay, so took it out. Eventually, punching 2 holes, there wasn't enough, so yeah. Anyways, that worked out well.